Welcome to AssistEdge RPA Configuring the First Robot. A typical AssistEdge RPA production environment consists of a robot farm with physical or virtual machines and a server with control tower responsible for creating, managing, and deploying robots on these robot farm machines. Let's understand the journey of deploying robots to this production environment. As a first step, to deploy robots to execute automation processes on these machines, they should connect with the control tower. For establishing this connection, the AssistEdge RPA application provides robot agent which should be up and running on these machines. Once the machines are connected, configuring a robot includes 3 steps: creating and assigning a robot, setting up the robot, and finally running the robot. Using Control Tower, we create a robot and assign it to an AssistEdge RPA user. The next step, setting up of robot, includes 3 steps: taking ownership, assigning processes, and application sign-in. In the first step, the assigned user takes the ownership of the robot by providing valid credentials. The next step is to assign profiles with the processes to the robot. The schedule for running the robot is also defined in this step. Note that the processes should be deployed from the automation studio before they could be executed by the robot. The final step is application sign-in. The credentials needed for the business applications used in the various automation processes are provided in this step. Once the setup is completed, you can either start the robot directly or save the configured settings and start the robot later. Now you know how to create and configure a robot. To see it in action, check out the demo video.